From an innovation and front office standpoint, we're seeing organizations being able to go to market 20 to 50% faster. We're seeing organizations creating anywhere between 10 and 20% in new revenue streams and new products and services. We're seeing organizations able to increase their sales by 3 to 20% because of omni-channels. We're seeing organizations reducing their maintenance cost by 10 to 40%. We're seeing the machine downtime going down by anywhere between 30 and 50%. Inventory carrying cost is going down by 20 to 50%. These are some of the examples, but I think going back to the most important, benefit that is getting most of the attention from executives is the ability to change business models, not just the business processes that they're focused on.